When I insert a pen drive in this system for installation a window file, so I am getting this type of error. Let's see. I am selecting my pen drive for installation window. So we are getting this type of error, verification failed 0x1a, security violation. So we are press hit enter. Then enroll this key from disk. Then enter Ventoy option and press down arrow key and select enroll this key in Mock Manager. Hit enter. Hit enter on it. So press enter on continue and press reboot. Then our system is booting now again. Then I pressing regularly F12 button. So we are getting boot menu again and we are selecting our boot drive as a pen drive now. So we are selecting. Then you can see this error is completely disabled. So you can choose what you want to install